Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you relaxic system. So in that project user have to
Celebration.
listen the voice and they have to type the word accordingly. So we have write celebration, click on the next word. So like that it will show the result. It will show the spelling, correct spelling and the wrong spelling. So it will enhance your reading here. You have to write the word like apple, lemon, cat, nest, eye, pot, goal. Like that you can see the result. Like your spelling, correct spelling and remarks. Okay, let's click on teacher. User have to enter the password. It will show the enhanced listening and enhanced reading. Now give word that will be added to the list for making. Give the words so that student fill the words accordingly. So this is the complete project. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment section. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.